The OEMTOOLS Universal Cooling System Pressure Kit lets you identify if there's a leak in your vehicle's cooling system by performing a quick pressure test. This tool comes with expandable adapters that fit most cars and light-duty trucks. The adapters work with radiators and cooling system reservoirs, so you won't need numerous specialized tools. Let's get started. Loosen the radiator cap slowly to relieve any excess pressure before you remove the cap completely. Attach the adapter housing to the filler neck of the coolant reservoir. Connect the hose to the adapter housing if it is not already attached. Operate the pump until the needle on the gauge moves to the end of the colored band that indicates the appropriate pressure for your vehicle, as specified in the manufacturer's maintenance manual. With the system still pressurized, check for signs of a leak. While performing a visual inspection of the entire cooling system, keep an eye on the gauge. Pay attention to whether the needle remains steady or if it moves. If it holds steady, there are no leaks in the system. A slow movement of the needle indicates a small leak. If the needle drops quickly, there's a serious leak. Once testing is complete, release pressure in the cooling system by turning the tester head clockwise until it's centered on the ramps. Pressure will release. Verify that all the pressure is released by looking at the gauge, then turn the tester head counterclockwise to remove it from the adapter or cooling system.